Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by forcing Windows into its recovery environment. Power on, interrupt boot 3 times, and let automatic repair appear. Once done, choose Advanced Options, then Troubleshoot and Advanced Options again. You're not using Command Prompt. You'll use built-in GUI tools. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and you know your account password so you can sign back in if prompted. These steps put you where the repair utilities live: Startup Repair, System Restore, Uninstall Updates, Reset, so you can try fixes safely without typing commands. Now you run the actual repairs. First, pick Startup Repair. It attempts to repair boot configuration and driver issues automatically. If that fails, choose System Restore to roll back to a restore point from before the problem. This undoes drivers and settings. If you suspect a recent Windows update, use Uninstall Updates to remove the latest quality or feature update. Make sure to reboot between attempts. Each tool targets different causes, so work through them methodically until the PC boots normally. If repairs didn't restore boot, finish with Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files to preserve data or remove everything for a full reinstall. Windows will handle reinstall without commands. Alternatively, use startup settings to boot into safe mode, then uninstall bad drivers or apps causing the loop. If reset and safe mode still fail, try go back to a previous build if available. One troubleshooting tip: if resets fail repeatedly, test the drive in another PC or consult a technician, because hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.